Motion to report the nomination of Amy Coney Barrett to be an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. The clerk will call the roll.
Favorably to the floor.
Favorably to the floor. The clerk will call the roll.
Mr. Grassley.
Aye.
Mr. Cornyn. Aye. Mr. Lee. Aye. Mr. Cruz. Aye. Mr. Sass. Aye. Mr. Hawley. Aye. Mr. Tillis. Aye. Ms. Ernst. Aye. Mr. Crapo. Aye. Mr. Kennedy. Aye. Mrs. Blackburn. Aye. Mrs. Feinstein. Mr. Leahy. Mr. Durbin. Mr. Whitehouse. Ms. Klobuchar. Mr. Coons. Mr. Blumenthal. Ms. Hirono. Mr. Booker. Ms. Harris. Mr. Chairman.
Aye.
Mr. Chairman, the votes are 12 yeas, 10 no votes.
The nomination will be reported favorably to the floor with a unanimous vote. Senator Cornyn.